into my channel. I'm not gonna lie, last year was a little bit rough for me, but I think it's starting to look up a little bit for my mental health. So I want to get back to filming on my actual camera and not just doing things like super randomly. As you can see, I still don't have any makeup or anything on, but I did at least set up my actual camera today. I just got my Ipsy March. I did end up filming the Ipsy bag on my phone, which I will be posting, or I might have already posted. But for this one, I wanted to actually film it on my actual camera. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So this is the first thing that I have in here. See if I can figure out how to open it. Oops. It's so satisfying just popping these. I could sit here and just do that all day, but I need to open it. So this is the first thing. It is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Looks really nice. Here we go. It's like that. And then let me bend this back. I feel like you guys can probably see yourself, but here is the palette. It looks really, really pretty. Let's see, I said it was a, bronze and highlight. So it also has, I would call this a blush, but it's got these different highlighty colors and everything. And then these two are probably the ones that would be bronze. I really like this. I think it's like really pretty. This one in particular looks like extra sparkly, which is cool. But that is the first thing that I got in here. Then, let me see. The next thing, this is adorable. I literally just picked this because it was cute. I don't even need it, but it is this little sponge set from LaRousse. And it just comes in this cute little heart. I honestly don't even know if I'm going to use these. I might just have this like decorative sitting around. Because how cute is that, you guys? Like, that looks freaking adorable. So that is that. The next thing that I have in here is from Wonder Beauty. It's Sunkiss Eye and Face Palette. Getaway. That is the name of this palette. And let me go ahead and pop this off. First of all, this is really cool packaging. It's like textured. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's super cool. Then I don't want to break the palette, but I don't want you guys to see the camera. So here it is. So it's got these colors right here, which I would assume are the eyeshadows, and then you've got a whole highlight, blush, and contour / bronzer. So you could literally just bring this one palette and do like a few different looks with it, which is super cool. And these look really pretty, so I'm very excited about that. The next thing in here, this packaging is a little bit bent up, but it is from Pink Lips Major Matte Face Primer, Longwear Matte Finish. So it is this. So I will definitely test this out and let you guys know how it is. It's super like liquidy, but it doesn't have much of a smell, which is good. So I am looking forward to testing that out for you guys. I love trying different primers and stuff. And last but not least, I have in here Beauty For Real brushes. Let me go ahead and show you guys which ones this comes with. Get them all out. So in this little set that it came with, it came with this fluffy brush. Oh, and it actually has them labeled as well. So it says this is the contour brush. Then it has this one, which it says is the shading brush. With that little tip. Sorry if you guys can hear that. That's my washer. We need a new washer. It gets off balance and stuff. But this is the blending brush. Then I have one for liner, which I'm very excited about this because I don't have one with that little bend in it. So that is something I don't already own. And then this is the angle spoolie brush, which I also don't have one of these. So I am very excited for these. I'm excited to use them. I don't remember if I showed you guys this at the beginning, but this is the bag for this one. It has like this super cool design. It's really pretty. But yeah, that is my March Ipsy for full-size products. Like I said, I think I probably have already posted the sample size product one, which I did film on my phone. Like I said, I am going to try and get better with that, you guys. Like I said, my mental health is looking up. If you guys want me to film a whole video on that, I can do so. Just let me know. But yeah, I am going to try and get back into this. Hopefully I'll be able to do more videos as well. So I actually am switching positions at my job, which is one reason my mental health is looking up. And I should be getting off a lot earlier in the day. So hopefully I will have a lot more time to do stuff like this during the day. But I'm looking forward to working more on my channel this year. It is definitely a goal of mine. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know if you want to see more of these or what things you might want to see this year. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!